You'll be love. What's that like and what we saying? We had like half an hour rain last night. Didn't even fucking skim the sides. The old fake rain. Wind's picking up. Hopefully it's going to piss down later. Not like what it did last night. It is gagging for a bit of fucking rain, I'm telling you. Mate, it was drizzle. Couldn't even call it rain. You should have seen how dark the sky was. They should have pissed it down. It fucking didn't. It didn't he? Still looks like it's going to rain again. For another fucking 20 minutes. Later on at some point. Better than nothing. Oh man, I feel gutted for the fucking wildlife. All the bees. Like fuck all flowers flowering. Poor wildlife, man. Still, I digress. Come on. Do the rain dance, people. Let it rain properly. Instead of this fluffy white crap that seems to collect a load of moisture and take it somewhere else. It's getting wind's picking up. Come on, rain. Come on, rain. Anyway, peeps, keep an eye to your skies. Did it rain round your way last night? Kent got a little bit. Like I say, a smudging. That was about it. Big love, man, big love. Keep an eye to your skies.